आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज नाउ 24/7। ताज़ा खबरों के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहें।
भाजपा सांसद तेजस्वी सूर्या ने कहा, आज लालबाग में वॉकर्स एसोसिएशन और रोजाना लालबाग आने वाले लोगों द्वारा एक विशाल हस्ताक्षर अभियान चलाया गया। लगभग 5,000 से 6,000 लोगों ने सुरंग सड़क परियोजना के विरोध में एक याचिका पर हस्ताक्षर किए हैं। ये सुरंग सड़क परियोजना बेंगलुरु के लिए वित्तीय और पर्यावरणीय दोनों दृष्टि से एक आपदा है। सरकार गड्ढों को भरने में असमर्थ है और अब वो 43,000 करोड़ रुपए खर्च करके 18 किलोमीटर लंबी नई सुरंग खोदने की योजना बना रही है। बेंगलुरु पहले से ही अधूरे फ्लाईओवरों का शहर कहा जाता है। करीब 30 से अधिक फ्लाईओवर और अंडरपास परियोजनाएं अब भी अधूरी हैं। मुख्यमंत्री इस सुरंग सड़क परियोजना पर चुप क्यों हैं? ये उनकी ही सरकार का प्रस्ताव है, उन्हें जवाब देना चाहिए। हर जगह राहुल गांधी कहते हैं कि कांग्रेस पार्टी के हाथ आम आदमी के साथ, लेकिन क्या ये परियोजना आम आदमी के लिए है? ये तो केवल वीआईपी लोगों के लिए बनाई जा रही है। बेंगलुरु में केवल 12% लोगों के पास कारें हैं, बाकी जनता सार्वजनिक परिवहन या दोपहिया वाहनों पर निर्भर है और उन्हें इस सुरंग के भीतर प्रवेश की अनुमति तक नहीं होगी। ये सरकार गरीबों की नहीं, अमीरों की परियोजना चला रही है।
Today there was a massive signature campaign organized at Lal Bagh by the Walkers Association and the people who frequent Lal Bagh every day. Literally 5,000 to 6,000 people have signed a petition opposing the tunnel road project. This tunnel road project is both a financial as well as an environmental disaster for Bengaluru. This project is unviable, it is unscientific, and the people of the city don't want this project. The government is incapable of filling potholes, and they now want to drill a bigger hole for 18 kilometers by spending 43,000 crore rupees. This is daylight robbery. The people of the city are asking for the basics. Please give us clean roads. Please give us walkable footpaths so that Bengaluru does not enter for a third year consecutively the distinction or the dysphomy of having the highest pedestrian deaths in the country. Please give us reliable metro services, expand the metro services, give more frequency of metro trains. Please work on the suburban rail project. Please complete it within deadlines. And today Bengaluru is also known as the city of incomplete flyovers. Every flyover that the BBMP or the GBA has started has not been completed within the stipulated time. There are at least 30 plus flyovers and underpasses projects which are now pending, unfinished. So complete all of these things. Do these basics and then spend 43,000 crores on building more public infrastructure, public transport options. This car project, this car-only tunnel is a VIP corridor. Only cars can use it. And you have to pay a toll of 20,000 rupees per month. The same 20,000 rupees, you can take a loan and build a home with a 20,000 rupee EMI. How many people in Bengaluru can afford to travel inside the city to pay a 20,000 rupee toll? This is a project of the VIPs, by the VIPs, for the VIPs. This is a VIP corridor, this entire tunnel road project. The project promises in the DPR to give a 7,500 crore viability gap funding to the contractor. The government has not paid salaries to crematorium workers, to BBMP librarians, to BMTC drivers, but they now have money, 7,500 crores, to give viability gap funding to a contractor. This is the misplaced priorities of this government. I lastly want to ask the Chief Minister, why is he silent on this? Why is the Chief Minister not speaking about the tunnel road project? He should speak up. It is his government's proposal. Everywhere Rahul Gandhi makes a statement that Congress party ke haath, Aam Aadmi ke saath. This is the Congress party statement. But is this project for Aam Aadmi? This is a project only for VIPs. only 12% of people in Bengaluru own cars. The remaining commute in public transport, in two-wheelers. You are not even allowing them entry inside this tunnel. But you say you are a party for the poor people. Let the Chief Minister answer these questions. Thank you.
You met the DCM also, you given the presentation. Now he is saying you don't know anything, you are a child. This type of language he is using.
When you can't answer technical questions, you will then resort to personal attacks. I have never earlier in my political career, nor in the future, will ever resort to political attacks against any of our political adversaries. That is the culture of my party. But I am still posing these questions. How will this 18-kilometer tunnel road solve all of Bangalore's traffic? Why are you not prioritizing public transport? How are the unfeasible, unscientific proposals in the DPR? What are your answers to these questions? Let them answer these questions instead of resorting to personal attacks. You can take it from me. This project is so unviable, is so unfeasible, so unscientific that it will never see the light of day. There is no light at the end of this tunnel. Thank you.
आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।